So today, because I'm doing a soft glam look, I want to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm not going to do anything too sharp. I'm going to start with the Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit and just fill in my brows. And I'll do the same for the next side. So next we're going to move into the eyes, and I'm going to lay down a base. I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base. You can also use concealer for this step, but I'm just going to use the P. Louise. Having a base really allows your shadows to pop a little bit more. That way your colors are nice and bright. And then I'm going to go in with a brush just to perfect that. And I'm going to bring it all the way up to my brows. Just blend that out. And don't worry about anything looking messy at this stage, because you still have to apply all the shadows and get everything together. Okay, now that our base is on, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Let's Gold palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Lavish and blend that out in my crease. I just used a brush, a double-sided brush from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I really like these brushes because they're so soft and good for blending, but any brush can for this step. That's really my goal with these tutorials, is to show you guys that you can use any product with any brush and achieve a great look. And I'm going to continue blending until I like the consistency. Okay, now that I have my crease color all blended, I'm going to go in with the color Mine, and I'm just going to create a nice little cut crease, and I'll show you guys how I achieve that. So I'm going in with a little flat end brush, one just like this, and this is going to allow me to just draw in where I want that cut crease to be. I'm going to start in like the inner corner of my eye, and at first you can just stamp the color, and just follow the natural contours of your eye. So I'm going to go back in and try to intensify that color. Don't worry about it being perfect right now. Once you start blending, everything is going to come together. And I took this a little bit higher than the natural crease of my eye, because that's going to allow the eyelid to look a little bit larger. Now I'm going to take the other side of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and blend that a little bit. So I went ahead and did the other side of my eye and kept on blending until I liked the way it looked. With eye looks like this, I would say to have patience and keep blending until you think it looks good. Don't worry about it looking a mess right now. It will come together. Now that that's all blended in the crease, I'm going to pick up the color Jewelry with my finger and rub that all over. I'm bringing that up to where I cut that crease. Jewelry looks on the eyelid, so I'm going to lay a little bit of Molten on top of that. And it's okay, guys. Sometimes you still have to do something and it doesn't work. Just try something else. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Lavish, and I'm going to wet my brush a little bit just to create a liquid eyeliner. The reason I'm not going in with an actual eyeliner is because I want the eyeliner to be a little bit softer, and going in with a brown color will give it a more sultry look. I'm using just an angled eyeliner brush for this. Keep wetting your brush because it is a little bit hard to apply eyeshadow based eyeliner, so having the brush wet will definitely intensify that. I think I'm satisfied with the eyeliner. Okay, now that that's all blended, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the color Pure, and I'm gonna try to blend that on the top of my brow bone because my eyes looking a little bit dark there. To brighten up the inner corners of my eyes, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of highlighter. Any highlighter would work. I'm also gonna take this and put it on my brow. Next, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. And I'm gonna go in with the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. This is my all-time favorite mascara. Put a generous coat on the top and bottom. I really like the pack on mascara because it does give that false lashes effect. So if you don't wear false eyelashes, that's a little trick for you. Next, I'm gonna tight line my waterline with the Huda Beauty eyeliner. It's the double-sided liner. I'll link it down below. And that's it. Next, I'm gonna just clean up my face a little bit and show you the final look. Okay guys, so that's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Please like and subscribe. Full disclaimer, I am not a professional makeup artist. I was not trained. I'm just sharing my love for makeup with you guys, and I hope you can take away some tips and tricks and make it your own, because after all, makeup is all about self-expression.